National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Rensselaer County in east central New York, southeastern Washington County in east central New York, central Bennington County in southern Vermont, central Windham County in southern Vermont, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 2 inches in 2 hours. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bellows Falls, Arlington, Manchester, Stratton, Shaftesbury, Putney, Paxton's River, Westminster, Newfane, West Wardsboro, Manchester Center, White Creek, North Bennington, Dover, Sunderland and Wardsboro. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.